Bryan in the camera. See, he's over there. Well, he died because he said this is a Hot Wheels ripoff, but actually it's not. It is. Shut up. So yeah. Okay, so this is there you go. Okay, here's the car. So just a little bit here. Okay, here it is. So let's open it. Wow, this is really hard. Okay. Okay, here it is. So here it is. So a car. It's color red. So okay. So here it is. It has red and black, orange, and white, and yeah. So look at this. It has some white color because it's my favorite color. Look. Look. I'm all white as. So yeah, the car is here. So yeah, look at this car. It has some flames because Bryan and over there, yeah. A year ago he got burned by using a match on himself. You see, but actually didn't hurt. So yeah, here's the car. So it doesn't. It's not a pullback feature. It's just something. Okay. So how can I describe this? This is a Hot Wheels ripoff.